I'm walking to my car right now. I have a friend who's going to install my control arms and my adjustable tow arms as well today. There's no slight to Josh, but he's busy at work and he has to rush home to meet the AC man so he can get an estimate on how much it's going to take to fix, how much it's going to cost to fix their AC. So instead of him taking my car today and working on it and then booking out of there without getting the job complete, my buddy Derek, who I met through my friend Eric, he's gonna be doing the installation for me for today. So we're gonna be driving to I think West Haven in Connecticut. I live in Itsonia, Connecticut, so it's like 20 minutes away. I had this car washed, and of course this car just sits because I take the Mazda 6. And also my boss is looking at buying my Mazda 6, so that's why I want to kind of get this job complete. And I found out too that my T-case is leaking as well, so we got to rip that apart one day and reseal it. And I think it's just sealed by RVT, because there's no gasket where the flat parts meet together, like the 4 points that make like a square. So yeah, this car has given me more problems than anybody else, I think. And I still have issues with, oh no, it's still full. Okay. Because half the time, sometimes it's like wicked low and stuff like that. But I got my parts here, got my little tools, but Derek has the tools right there. I still got to put these things on, the door jams. When you open the door, look down, I think that's what they're called, I don't know. Scuff plate. My car didn't come with them. I think maybe the MRs came with the scuff plates. I don't know, but I wanted them, so I bought them. Got them from MAPerformance. They were like 100 and change. So let's take a
Get in the hole. In the hole.
For someone who would be doing this for the first time, would be here all day, not knowing what to do then. If they didn't learn this, I guess.
That's where it's fun, because I actually never learned this. I just kind of started fucking with shit.
Yeah.
Because that's the best way to learn. Because you go as far as you think you can get yourself.
Yeah.
Then you pull up a YouTube video.
Thank God for YouTube.
And you look at what you're doing.
Compared to theirs?
Compared to someone that actually managed to put it in.
Yeah.
And you're like, okay, I was close. So I just have to change how I was doing this and it'll work fine.
Good point.
Because there's no right or wrong way to learn process-wise.
Yeah.
Brake dust.
I think it's an Audi.
The only technical wrong way to learn how to do something is by giving up and not trying.